Hi everyone! Today we have a great, simple, quick salad recipe for you. It's an easy to make salad that requires no dressing, so it's a great diet recipe. It goes well with grilled salmon, so let's have a look. For this simple salad, you need 1 pomegranate. So we're just going to remove the seeds of the pomegranate into a bowl like this. I chopped the pomegranate into half and then I'm going to hold it in my hand like this. Squeeze gently and then just tap it firmly with a ladle or a large spoon like this. So we're going to add all the pomegranate seeds as well as all the juice into another bowl. To this we're going to add 1 large carrot that has been diced. All the ingredients for this recipe are diced around the same size. We're also going to add 1 large sweet apple. In this recipe, since we're using pomegranate as well as all of its juice and the apple, this requires absolutely no dressing at all. To this we're going to add 1 or 2 cucumbers depending on the size. I'm using 2 varieties here. And we're also going to add 2 cups of chopped greens. It can be any salad greens that you like or just lettuce. I rinsed and used a salad spinner to remove all the water. Now we're just going to toss this. Make sure you get all the pomegranate juice mixed through the salad. And finally, we're also going to add a mild green chili pepper. Remove the seed portion to reduce the heat and chop it up nicely. So this adds a nice dimension as well. Now you can add salt and pepper if you like. I just serve it as it is. It's really refreshing and a great salad to serve along with salmon. I like to serve this salad with my favorite baked salmon recipe. Here's the link. It's also in the description box. You can also add some nuts like almonds or pine nuts if you like. If you'd like to see more diet recipes on Recipes Are Simple, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!